satisfy both these conditions. 2 plus a is 6 means this here compulsorily it should be 4. So a is definitely 4. Now if a is 4 then b will be definitely 7. That's why it can be 11. Right? So the values are 4 comma 7. The number 10 raised to n minus 1 is divisible by 11 for first option is any natural number. Any natural number means n belongs to n, capital N. Now natural number means starting from 1, any number. So let's try with one example. 10 raised to 1 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, 9. Is 9 divisible by 11? No. So A is wrong. Now for B, odd values of n means what? It is 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 7. Okay. Let's try with 10 raised to 1. Always try with the simpler example. So 10 raised to 1 minus 1, 9. No. Again not divisible by 11. Third is even values of n. Okay. Even means what? 10 raised to 2, 4, 6, 8. So let's try with the simpler one. 10 raised to 2. So 10 raised to 2 is what? 100. 100 minus 1, 99. That is divisible by 11. Yes. Now once it is done, let's try with other number. 10 raised to, we want even only. 10 raised to 4. So 10 raised to 4 is what? 10,000. Minus 1, 9999. Is it divisible by 11? Yes. So the answer is C. Means the number should be even values of n. These options are given to you in exam. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for the same. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.